I am here to teach you some reaction drills which will be useful when you go for a sprint start. It will help you to develop the sprint start. So as you all know, before doing any workout, we have to go for some warm up as it will help you or prevent you from injury. Therefore, let us go for some warm up drills. First exercise, warm up exercise, is known as high knee. Okay, jog back. Next exercise, okay, jog back. Butt kick. Okay, jog back. Next exercise, jog back. Now simple jogging. Turn back. Simple walking. Walk back. Now we'll go for karaoke. Jog back. Now with another leg. Jog back. Again simple jogging. Walk back. Once again high knee. Walk back. Simple walking. Again walk back. Now we'll go for bounding. Simple jogging. Once again bounding. Walk back. Okay, our warm up part is over. Okay, as we all have done the warm up, now you can see my full body is sweating. That means my warm up is done. So now we are going to do the reaction drills. As I earlier told, these reaction drills will help you to develop your sprint start. Okay, now he is my junior coach. Aryan Pandit is my son. He is going to assist me. First drill. In the first drill, you have to do nothing. You have to just sleep, relax, full relaxed. No need to see the coach. when the coach blows the whistle, you have to immediately give the start. Run as fast as you can. In the beginning you can go for slow, but gradually you can increase the speed. Okay, first drill.
Okay, ready?
Now walk back. Now we'll go for the second drill. That is same as the first one. We were slipping facing towards the finish line. Now we have to slip just opposite. That means our leg will be towards the finishing line, head will be opposite of the finishing line. Let us do that second drill.
Okay, ready?
Walk back. Here in second drill, we have, as soon as the coach has blown the whistle, we have turned towards the right side and then we have given the start. Now same drill, but will turn towards the left side. Let us do that.
Okay, ready?
Simple walk back. We have done the first exercise, second exercise and third exercise. Now we'll be doing fourth exercise. Let us do that. Here in the fourth exercise, when the coach will say, okay, ready, when he blows the whistle, we have to do 5 times push-ups, and then as soon as we have done the push-ups, we have to give the start. That means you have to run towards the finishing line. Okay, let us do that. Okay, coach.
Okay, ready?
Walk back. Thank you, Aryan. Now these all exercise we have done in order to develop our sprinting start. So these were simple 4 exercises which you can do at home. For the beginners, it should be at least once or twice each exercise, and for the advanced, it may be 6 to 10. All depends upon the level of the sports person and the coach. Thank you.